to do. But Aashutosh Srivastava, we're talking about Supreme Court now, and there are multiple appeals that are pending, including from people, from the petitions that have been filed by devotees to the temple administration to even the Dargah authorities. As a lawyer, what do you expect will happen in the Supreme Court now, and why was it so important for the government to file the SLP now?
See, what I understand that this matter, when this was decided by the single bench of the Madras High Court, Madurai Bench, this was already referred to the Supreme Court earlier, and at that time Supreme Court had declined to interfere into the matter, and it clearly said that the Muslims were also allowed for the prayers on certain occasions. And it said that there will not be any issues if the same order is being continued, though it did not interfere much. So I think at this moment of time also, I don't feel that there would be sufficient material for the Supreme Court to interfere and pass any contrary order. However, it is up to the Supreme Court. So far as the government going to the Supreme Court is concerned, they have their constitutional right. They can go and file SLP, and this is what they have decided to do. However, we understand that lighting lamp, which was allowed by the single bench of the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, that was also confirmed by the division bench as well. And they had gone into the merits of the case, and they came to a conclusion that these are two different parts, because the top hill of the temple belongs to the temple itself, and Dargah is adjacent to it, and it has got no interference whatsoever so far as Dargah is concerned. So I think these aspects will also be seen by the Supreme Court.
But Mr. Srivastava, I want to bring in Rahul Ishwar here. Rahul Ishwar of the High Court, I remember, had talked about reconciliation, and it had in fact said that law and order issues or concerns that are being raised by the DMK government, the erstwhile ruling party, are just an imaginary ghost, and that the issue could have been used to foster communal harmony. How long can the state government keep saying that this is about peace and harmony in the state, which I think is also the most important. There's nothing more important than peace and harmony in the state, but is lighting of the lamp, is the peace and harmony of the state incumbent